Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to create a new user for your computer or remove it on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. Then from Accounts, click on the Family and Other Users option. Click on Add Account. You can specify how this person will sign in and enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to add, then click on Next. Or just click on the I don't have this person's sign-in information option. You have here 4 options: create a Microsoft account, use a phone number instead, get a new email address, or add a user without a Microsoft account. Now, enter the username and password. Then set up the security questions in case you forget your password. After you finish, click on Next to create the new user. You can also change the account type between standard user or administrator. And you can remove this user if you don't want it anymore.